Hey my beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Listen y'all, today I am working on these puffy eyes of mine and occasional a little dark circle as well because of late nights. You know, I work a lot of times throughout the night just recording videos or editing videos, and a lot of pressure on the eyes. And of course this morning, well, I can almost say pretty much afternoon, because I didn't go to sleep until about 3:30, 4 o'clock. So that means that probably by the time I get my good 7, maybe 8 hours in, it's afternoon today. Okay, so right now I am seriously like these eyes. And of course the bright lights don't help. But what I wanted to do was try out this new product I do have. It is the Avon Anew Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. Now, I am an Avon representative, and my goal here is to try each and every product that I can that's relevant to me, that I can relate to you all to say, hey, whether it works, great, and if I love it, I'll let you know. It says here on the website, hello bright eyes, formulated with a powerful combination of vitamin C and niacinamide. This revitalizing eye cream visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and leaves the under eye area looking brighter and more even toned. And it can be used with any skincare routine. Improvement in under eye clarity in 2 weeks. Just apply a small amount under the eye, perfect for use even under makeup. And this is the packaging that it's in. It is such a cute little container, I thought, and a cute little pump, which I thought was great. So I'm just going to dab it onto my ring finger underneath my eyes. Now, it said nothing about puffiness, but hey, we're going to work it anyway and see what happens. See if it does at least give me some relief, even for the darkness around the eyes. Goes on very smooth. I love that. Very easy to maneuver on the eye, and light enough that I can even put on any makeup on top of it. So I'm going to let it sit on here. I'll be back and let you know what it did over maybe like an hour, is to see if there is any noticeable difference in even my puffiness on the eyes and the darkness under there. So I'll be back. Okay, beautiful babes, I am back. Probably has been over an hour since I saw you last, but it's okay. But I just wanted to do a side-by-side on checking out the Anew Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream from Avon to see what a difference it made. And I don't know, I'm not looking at myself right now, so you let me know what you think, if there is a difference in my eyes. Now, of course, the puffiness has gone down, but that could be because of time, and of course the darkness. I know it's going to take time for this to start working, you know, on a continual basis, but I just wanted to test it out and see what I thought about it. But it actually did feel, you know, make my eyes feel more moisturized under there, so that's a positive right there already. And again, over time, I imagine it should work. Vitamin C products from Avon are simply marvelous. I do love them. Of course, y'all know I've been using for a long time the Anew Vitamin C Brightening Serum, which is right here. And in fact, just pulling this out, I think I need to be on the restock right now to get some more of that. But I will be checking out more of these vitamin C products by Avon Anew. So let me know what you think about the eyes, beautiful babes. Let me know. And if you're looking for this or something like this to help brighten the darkness under your eyes, check out my link below. Of course, I am an Avon representative. Y'all already know that. If you're one of my followers, you definitely know that I love me some Avon products, and I'll be checking out more of them just to let y'all know and get you some information on it, how it works and what it does specifically for my needs. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing up for now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. Absolutely. Yes, more and more coming your way right here on Sugar Fingers. So be in the know. Simply subscribe, hit the post notification bell, so when I upload, you get it. That's how we roll. And beautiful babes, I don't know if I'm looking so cute today. Maybe I shouldn't say this, but anyway, I'm gonna say it anyway. Please make sure you keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.